Awesome car. This is one of 3. Day 35. We're on the way down from Meremere. We're at the Meremere race park, and we're on the way down to Huntley today. It's a 32k day. We've started supposedly early, but it's, what's the time? 8, which is not early enough. But we'll see how we go. This track's going to be interesting. It's following river most of the way. We'll get to Meremere by lunch, and the pub actually has a nice meal, we've heard, so we're looking forward to that. And then on to Huntley. It's a little nippy today, isn't it? Yeah. How are you feeling, gorgeous?
Feeling good.
We slept in the tents last night, and
it that well last night. Probably just should have slept in there for now.
And it pissed in. It pissed down. It absolutely
pissed down. I don't know why we chose to sleep in our tents.
We should have not, but anyway. I thought it would just be a lot more comfortable if we were in our tents. For me, it's a hell of a lot more comfortable.
I guess.
Yeah, they did offer us to sleep in the lounge, but yeah. Neat family. Really cool young family. Very neat. Sort of only just discovered, only started trail angeling in the last little while. Really cool kids, and really neat people, really, weren't they? Weren't they, Eden?
Huh?
Yeah.
Sorry, I was texting Mum.
Good people?
Oh yeah, they're really good people. Yeah, the family's great.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll see you on trail. So, John T, his TA, is catching up with us today. He's behind us. We're staying at the same place tonight, which is fantastic. Dawn. So, looks like Dawn's a full service TA trail angel. They're offering us dinner and a place to sleep inside, which is great. Looking forward to that. So first goal today is Meremere. Just a few cows.
Oh, all staring at us.
All staring
I don't
at
actually
us.
think there's one that's not staring at us right now.
On today's walk's just along farmland right next to the beautiful Waikato River. I think over the last 2 days we've had 2 kilometres of road walking. The rest of it's been on farmland. I don't know why, and in bush. I don't know why everybody zips along here and says that there's a problem with, because it's all on road, because it isn't. None of it's on road. Admittedly, the 2 kilometres that were on road were pretty bad, but, and we got a hitch through there, but otherwise this is beautiful. Weird. The wild TA hiker emerges from the reeds.
Freaking long as heck.
Yep, got to the pump house. It's 2.5 hours to get here from Meremere. She's going all right. We've done 10k already, 9.5k ish. We've got 8.5, which should take us 2 hours, which we should get there by about 12:30. Get some lunch into us at the Ringaroa pub and a beer, and then
On to Huntley.
on to Huntley in the afternoon. Hopefully with Jonty basically picking us up, but Jonty's quite a way behind us. And see you on trail.